What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to work your lane keep assist and assisted cruise control. I'm going to another dealership to pick up a car. I can show you how the sensing features work. For example, the lane keep assist and the assisted cruise control. Stay tuned.
Use the left two lanes to take exit 48B 4I-10 West towards San Antonio.
Houston freeways are so bumpy. Sorry for the bumpy video, guys. Use the low speed follow. You do the same thing as you would do to turn on your cruise control. Hit main and then set. This will bring to 25 miles per hour. It will follow the car ahead of you on a stop and go situation. So right now it says stopped because of the car ahead of me stopped. Whenever they start going, I have to press on RES and it will start going. So right now the light is green, I hit RES and it's going. It's trying to follow the car ahead of me. To activate it, you press on main. On the dashboard screen, you'll see ACC and LKAS come on. Once that's on, you touch on the lane keep assist button here, and you'll see the lanes pop up, and it's bold white colors. When it's bold white colors, it's actually reading the line. So right now, it's trying to keep me on the lane. It's going to tell you when it needs help to assist the steering wheel. Always keep your hands on the wheels. All these features are there to assist you, not to do it for you. So keep that in mind, guys. To use the assisted cruise control, it works just like a traditional cruise control. You hit set to a speed. For example, right now I'm going at 66. My speed is set at 66. With this button on the right, you can keep your distance from the car you're following. If any car comes in front of me, my car will automatically slow down. So I'm not even braking right now. It's following the speed of the car ahead of me. So it reduced to 60, under 60 right now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Leave me a comment below on what you need to know. I'll get back to you with